camera clean like my phone swim.
What?
I say they went on your camera, clean like my camera, to make my phone swim. You ever see phone swim before?
Phone can't swim.
Alright, so it was out then.
My phone are waterproof.
So this is the beginning. This is the beginning. Yeah? Of great things. Alright? So this we have an old fridge. An old fridge where we cut off the panel. Yeah? Cut off the panel off of the old fridge. And this piece of panel you see here, this is what we're gonna use to make side skirting of the Mark II GX90. You will see the final outcome of this side skirting. We're going to work on the side skirting, we're going to work on the back bumper, and we're going to work on the front bumper. And you will see the outcome. Alright? Stay tuned. Stay tuned.